Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. I just wanted to come and share some happy mail that I've had from the US, and this is from the lovely Eileen Nielsen. We did think that this package had gone astray, but it did turn up yesterday. So I thought, right, I'll come and film it. Having a little bit of a crafty break over the Christmas period so that I can fully recharge my batteries, ready for the next Stampin' Up catalogue. But you know, when people send me gifts, I like to show my appreciation. It says God save the Queen and Harry too. So let's have a look what we've got. It says on the package that it's crafty items, so I think she shared some of her crafty goodies with me, which is ever so kind. So let's have a look what we've got. What are these? Oh wow, those are cool. So it's a little package of things there. These will be good for my journals. Let's have a look. So we've got some doilies, and we've got some bits of, that's like a little tag, and some little mini bags. I love those. Oh, I love those. They're super cute. Oh, I like those. And then we've got some more little bags. These are great for journals. Thank you. I love these. Like sweetie bags. I love them. I think there's a name for them. Do they call them jelly bean bags? I'm not sure, but those are super cute. Thank you. Especially those little itty bitty ones. Definitely, those are gorgeous. Right, so that's those. I might have to take one of those to pieces and see how to make them so that it don't ever run out. And then here is another package that she's sent me. It looks like ribbons and fabrics. Wow, how lucky am I? And I do know that the postage from overseas to the UK is absolutely ridiculous. So I'm so grateful, thank you. Because I know it is absolute like silly money. So what have we got here? Some woven in the USA, nice one. Some like glittery ribbon. I don't want to open it yet. And then we've got, oh, I like this. I've had some of similar to this before. Simplicity. Go on, I'll open it, shall I? Go on. I will. I'll open it and I'll share it with you. Have a look. Oh, that is ever so cute. Look at that. That is absolutely lovely. I really like that. It's like fluffy tassel trim. That's super cute, and it's the softest, subtlest baby pink colour. Thank you. That's ever so kind. What we got here? Oh, that's like a little charm. What's it say? Fun Stampers Journey Days credit card charm. That's cute, isn't it? And what's that one? And that one's little sunglasses. They're cute, aren't they? What else have we got here? Look, she's put some hearts there and some sticky beads there. We've got some tassels, and then she's sent me some trim, and it's wrapped around a lovely bird cage, and we've got some beautiful baker's twine there. That's lovely. Thank you. That's very thoughtful. What's this one? Oh, I like this. I do like this. Let's have a look. It's like sparkly. I call this spider web trim. It's like, and it's all glittery and sparkly. That's lovely. Thank you. What's this one? This is like a woven one. That's ever so pretty. It's got stars on it. I can't get into that, but it's got like white stars on it. That's another full how many's on there? 9 feet. Wow, thank you. What we got here? Self-adhesive. I love these. Self-adhesive sequins. I love them. Love them. And I've got red ones, and she sent me star gemstones. Oh, look at those, and some red ones. Well, they're more of a pinky red. Those are awesome. Thank you. I will use those. Oh, some discard alarms going off. That's considerate. Hurry up and turn it off. So we'll use those, thank you. Look at that little sticker. It says, "Girl, you got this." That's super cute. And then here we've got some fabric, and that one is Pink Unicorn, and that looks like a fat quarter. Oh, for your daughter. Ah. Alright, so she sent me that one for Alexia. She'll like that. she'll make a little something out of that. Ooh, that's pretty, isn't it? Thank you ever so much. That's cotton. Yeah, it's like a fat quarter. Could cover a journal cover with that maybe. Or make something. But those are lovely. Really lovely. Thank you. What we got here? Another little bag of goodies. I think that was just to protect the items so they didn't get spoiled in the mail. So we've got some more little bits and bobs that she's been kind enough to share here. So are those magnets? Let me find some at metal. No, they're not. I think they're like bottle caps. I'm not sure. I'm not altogether sure what to do with those. You might have to tell me. But those are cute, aren't they? Or whether you just stick them on. Don't know. But they're like bottle caps, like pin badge bottle caps. Not too sure. Not seen those before. That's interesting. And then she sent me some stamps. Obviously, I can use those in my journals. And then what we got here? She sent me this little bit of trim. This is pretty. With the sequins. Oh, that's kind. Thank you. Isn't that lovely? I always think it's nice when somebody takes time to share some of their crafty goodies with you. I'll have to sort her a package out and send her one in the mail too, because we've all got more than we need, haven't we? We can always share. I need to send a few more take time to send some more stuff out this year. Oh, that's a pretty little stamp. Look at that one with the little rose. So these are American stamps, thank you. Then we've got some little note paper there. Obviously all geared towards journaling. And then what we got here, like some little buttons and stuff. Oh wow, look at those. Oh, I like those. Those are lovely buttons. You could use those for a closure for something. Or for the middle of a... Oh, and that's cute as well. That's a little... You could use that as a little closure. Oh, wow. And then what have we got here? Some little buttons and some little stick-on birds. They're ever so cute. It's like a little Aladdin's cave parcel. I love it. With all the lovely little bits and bobs. And it's the little individual bits and bobs that really can make a project special. And you'll dig it out and you think, ooh, I'll put that on that little case. So I will save all of those to one side, and they will find their way into my journals and my other crafty projects that I do when I'm not busy stamping. So thank you for those. That is ever so kind to take the time to send me those. And like I say, I know that the postage from America is just plain stupidness, to be honest. So that makes it even more special. So thank you ever so much. I have got plans to do some crafting today. I've just got in my office, stroke craft room, stroke bomb site, and I'm going to be doing some crafting today. Hopefully get some videos up and get myself organised and ready for the new year. So I hope you're all having a lovely Christmas. I certainly am. I'm having lots of lazy days in between working. I'm really enjoying just recharging them batteries, and then I'll be back to my crafty videos in no time. I might see if I can put one up this week special for the new year. We shall see. I want to put all these away nicely so they don't get this is a large chain of fabric and craft stores. Oh right, okay. Ah yeah, Joanne's. She sent me a coupon. I can't use it. Can't use it, can I? We haven't got blooming Joanne's over here. How cute is that? That might find its way into a journal as well. Teasing me with Joanne's coupons. Right, so I'll finish putting that away, and I will see you all again very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.